friends, today let's check out how to make Idli Podi, the tasty yummy Idli Podi, or also known as gunpowder. We usually have this with hot idli or dosa or rice. It is quick and easy to make. Let's check it out. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. So today let's check out how to make the gunpowder or podi. So for that, let's heat up the pan and take 1 teaspoon of oil, cooking oil, and 1 cup of groundnut. So we are going to slowly roast it on a medium flame. So stir it continuously so that it doesn't get burned. And our intention is to slightly roast it, slightly brown, golden brown. That's all. Yeah, something like this. Roast it on medium flame, not on high. It should cook evenly, something like this. So keep it aside. Now next, in the same pan, take 1/4 cup of chana dal, which is also called as chickpea dal, chickpea lentil, and roast it. Not too much, not too less, just the right. Yeah, keep it on medium-low flame and continue stirring it. Yeah, so it will look something like this, slightly golden brown. So keep both aside and let them cool down. It should cool before we grind it. Okay, now let's take 1/4 cup of urad dal, another lentil, and you will roast it similarly. Urad dal is also known as black gram lentil, black lentil. So yeah, it is roasted and it looks golden brown. It is giving beautiful aroma. Now it is done. So let's take it aside in a plate and let it cool down as well. So next we'll take some dried red chilies. It is completely on your spice level how much you take. I've taken about 12 to 15. So you are going to roast it and then put it aside. Now in the same pan you will take about 1/2 inch of tamarind paste and about 4 garlic cloves. So I'm just roasting it, and then a pinch of hing, asafoetida, and there goes 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So gently roasting it, not too much, and then add it to the same plate. So now everything is cooled down. I am taking it in the grinder and then grinding it into a fine powder. You can mix everything and grind together. So because we have added groundnut, it will look a little bit sticky, but don't worry, that's how it will be. Just give it a good mix once it is finely grinded. And you can add jaggery powder, or you can add jaggery and grind it all together. It's optional. Jaggery is completely optional. But without that, your Idly Karam Podi or gunpowder is absolutely ready. What you can do, you can take couple of teaspoons, add ghee on it, and eat it with dosa or idli or hot rice. It is so delicious. And how you can store it? You can store it for about 15 to 30 days in a container. You don't need to refrigerate it, and this will stay good. And whenever you want to eat, just add some hot ghee on top of it and it's ready to serve. That's it.